Do you know the benefits of washing your face with cold water? The answer might surprise you. Washing your face with cold water can offer several physiological and cosmetic advantages. For instance, cold water can constrict your skin pores, giving your skin a smoother and firmer look. This simple act can also help reduce puffiness and inflammation, particularly around your eyes. It gets better. Cold water stimulates blood circulation, promoting a healthy flow of nutrients to your skin cells and aiding in waste removal. Cold water can also enhance your skin tone, leaving it looking refreshed and revitalized. If oily skin is your worry, cold water can help regulate oil production, preventing excessive oiliness. And guess what? Your skincare products might work better after a cold water face wash, as it tightens the skin, making it more receptive. And who wouldn't love a splash of cold water to awaken the skin in the morning? These are just a few of the many benefits of this simple and refreshing routine. Washing your face with cold water is not just about feeling refreshed, it's also a secret weapon for enhancing your skin tone. As we've learned, cold water can stimulate blood circulation, and this is key to achieving a healthier complexion. How does this work, you ask? When you splash your face with cold water, your body responds by sending more blood to the area to keep it warm. This increased blood flow delivers oxygen and essential nutrients to the cells, promoting their health and regeneration. As a result, your skin may appear more vibrant and have a natural glow. Additionally, the improved circulation can help to even out your skin tone, reducing the appearance of dark spots and pigmentation. Not only that, but the cold water also helps to tighten the skin, minimizing the appearance of pores and giving your skin a smoother, more refined look. So next time you're washing your face, think about turning down the temperature. Your skin might just thank you for it. From a medical standpoint, cold water can have benefits in certain situations. It can act as a soothing agent for skin that is inflamed or mildly irritated. Imagine the relief you feel when you place a cold compress on a sprained ankle. The same principle applies when you apply cold water to inflamed skin. The cool temperature helps constrict the blood vessels, reducing inflammation and offering relief. Moreover, cold water can be your ally when dealing with swelling. Similar to its effect on inflammation, the chilliness of the water can help constrict blood vessels, thereby alleviating swelling. Whether it's a bug bite or a minor injury, a splash of cold water can often provide instant relief. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. For those with sensitive skin, rosacea, or certain skin disorders, extreme cold water may do more harm than good. It can cause skin irritation, redness, and even exacerbate existing skin conditions. Therefore, it's crucial to know your skin type and its tolerance levels. And let's not overlook the potential downsides of using cold water. It may trap bacteria and debris in your pores, leading to infections and breakouts. Furthermore, it's not as effective as warm water at loosening dirt, makeup, and pollutants from your skin. So while it can offer several benefits, it's not a substitute for a well-rounded skincare routine. In conclusion, while cold water can offer several skin benefits, it's not without its caveats. It's like a double-edged sword, beneficial in some cases, but potentially harmful in others. Therefore, it's essential to listen to your skin and adjust your routine accordingly. If you notice any adverse reactions, or if you have specific skin concerns, don't hesitate to consult with a dermatologist. After all, it's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to skincare. However, always remember to be mindful of your skin's response and adjust your routine accordingly. Remember that maintaining healthy skin involves more than just washing your face with cold water. It's also about what you put into your body, how you protect it from the elements, and how you care for it on a daily basis. A balanced diet, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, plays a vital role in supporting your skin's health and vitality. Hydration, too, is key. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your skin moist and supple, while also flushing out toxins. And let's not forget the importance of protecting your skin from harsh environmental factors, particularly the sun's damaging UV rays. If you have specific skin concerns or medical conditions, it's always best to seek personalized advice from a dermatologist. Each one of us is unique, and so is our skin. A combination of proper skincare, a balanced diet, hydration, and protection from environmental factors can give you the healthy skin you desire. So, are you ready to incorporate a cold water wash into your daily routine? Let's recap what we've discovered. Cold water can help constrict your skin's pores, reduce puffiness, stimulate blood circulation, enhance your skin tone, regulate oil production, improve product absorption, and awaken your skin. From a medical standpoint, it can soothe inflammation and relieve swelling. However, remember to be cautious if you have sensitive skin or certain health conditions. And don't forget, cold water isn't a silver bullet. It's part of a holistic approach to skin health that includes proper skincare, a balanced diet, hydration, and sun protection. If you have specific skin concerns, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe now to join our community. Encourage us with a thumbs up to bring more interesting and high-quality videos to everyone. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Here's to better health and a better life.